Hi guys, one of the most difficult section of the CAT paper is going to be the DI logic section. In fact, one of the most difficult exam of a lifetime is going to be DI logic section. So in this video, I'm going to cover the complete scope, syllabus for the DI logic section and then we'll see how to crack it. So there are 8 sets which are going to come. Main problem is there is no defined syllabus for that. All the things we know which come as a part of logic like blood relationship, direction sense, coding, decoding is not going to come in the CAT exam. DI point of view, bar chart, line chart, the typical DI percentage increase from this to this calculation based DI is not going to come in the CAT exam. CAT have totally evolved into DI and logic combined together into DI logic. Okay, that's not the way. Okay, coming to the point, for one of the set, but if you look at trend and there are new kind of questions coming every year. In fact, that's why the next year books which I'm going to design, I'm cutting out all the crap. Even data sufficiency I'm removing from that, because CAT made data sufficiency have not come in the last 10 years. So why to waste my time in data sufficiency if that is not coming for the last 10 years? Yeah. So first set, one of the sets which I've seen traditionally or every year which is coming is logic based DI. Yeah, there are 2 sets of logic based DI every year. Logic based DI means they look like a DI but actually it's a logic. Yeah, the things which look like logic is actually DI. If you have joined us for the MasterClass, like this weekend I'm conducting a MasterClass in all the centers and online. So in the MasterClass we'll find the logic based DI. You'll understand what I'm talking about, logic based DI. One of the set is fill the blanks or caselet. Yeah, one of them will be fill the blanks or caselet. One of the set is going to be quant based DI. If you look at every year, there's one set based on quant based DI. Yeah, and one of the sets is going to be games, and 3 sets are going to be new. Yeah, by games I mean it can be a tournament. By game I mean it can be any kind of a game which you can expect. Sudoku was there last year. Last year there was a question based on chess. So every year one. So these are the 5 sets which are common set. These are 6 topics, 5 sets. So next year books which we are going to make, all these things are going to be removed from that. Yeah, so we are going to remove all the crap, coding, decoding, everything is going to be removed out of that, and we're keeping all the important topics into the syllabus. Yeah, so this is what we're going to cover up. Okay, so new 3 topics are going to be new, that I can promise you. Okay, so this is going to be a full syllabus. So if you are joining us for next year, obviously we'll take care of that. Next year I want to redefine the preparation for that. Yeah, so this year CAT 19, if you're following my daily tasks, the first 10 days are most important. I'm going to cover up all these things. Those who have not yet joined us for the daily task, in the description box I given you the number where you can join for the program in which we are going to cover up all these main topics. Yeah, for example, if you have been with the classroom students, we have covered up quant, caselet, fill the blanks, logic based DI. Everything is we have covered in the class. तुम्हें आता नहीं हो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम है, but class में किया था. Anyway, games is left, so I'm going to cover up, make a special handout, a special lecture for games as well, so that we can cover up all the major aspect of that. Now coming to the level of difficulty. Easy 2 sets, which is 8 questions. Medium 2 sets, 8 questions. Difficult 4 sets, 16 questions. Yeah, and if you want to clear the cutoff, 6 question correct is 80 percentile. You will clear the cutoff from most of the IIMs. 90 percentile is 9 question correct, not attempt correct. 95 percentile is 12 and 99 percentile is 15 question. So to get 99 percentile, I need to attempt minimum 5 sets. Target have to be 5 sets. Target 4 sets, target 3 sets, target 2 sets. Yeah, that's a typical target setting. So if I put it here, sets target attempt 8, that is 2 sets, 12 3 sets, 16 4 sets, and 25 sets, you can expect 99 percentile. In fact, the toppers, I've been taking interviews of the topper. I've taken 3 toppers interview with 99 percentile in logic. All of them have said the same thing, that main thing is attempt, is practice from mocks, from books. So we have to practice more and more of DI logic. Yeah. Now if we talk about the cutoff, if you're getting 80 percentile, you will definitely get the new AMCA call, provided obviously will do when the other exams, which means you are getting an average salary of 12 to 15 lakhs. And if you're getting 90 percentile, which is 10 question correct, you are getting a salary of 20 lakh. So 90 means 9 to 10 question correct. So 20 by 10, 2 lakh rupees per question. I'm not talking about per set. per question is 2 lakh rupees. So look at the value per question. Yeah, see, this is obviously not the right way to look at, but this is just to motivate you that one extra question correct, every question correct, 6 correct, you're getting a salary of 12 lakhs, 8 correct, you're getting a salary of 15-16 lakh, 10 correct, you're getting a salary of 20 lakhs. So that's a real way to motivate yourself that every question is worth 2 lakh rupees. Yeah, and that should be our target to maximize our attempt. Yeah, so every day if you're following the task, we are going to cover the most of the syllabus, most of the main topics coming in the CAT paper. Yeah, all the best. So now just landed at the Pune airport. So tomorrow I'm connecting the workshop in Pune for CAT and CET, there are 2 workshops, and in Mumbai on Sunday. So if you're around in this location, Mumbai, Pune, please do attend the workshop. Otherwise Sunday night 9 PM I'll be coming live talking about the CAT and other exams. Any kind of a doubts you have, Sunday night 9 PM I'll be available. Yeah, all the best. This is the only comment which I want to mention today. 7 hours of job and 1.5 of travel drains on me entirely. Believe me sir, your videos are only motivation for me to buckle me up for 5 to 6 hours every day. Look at this guy. After studying for working for almost 11 hours every day, he still have 5 to 6 hours every day. Balidan to dena hoga. Have reduced his sleep from 8 to 6 hours. This is a kind of a hard work you have to do. कल को score आए ना आए, there are 22 likes on this comment यार. This is more than I get on my video. ठीक है, तो this is a kind of a बलिदान you have to give. कल को score आए ना आए, हमने अपना काम किया. आगे किस्मत साथ दे ना दे, so let's hope for the best. So this is the thing you have to work. So tomorrow I want 5 comments like this कि आपने क्या बलिदान किया. So one thing you have to sacrifice. Let's see तुम क्या करते हो sacrifice. So these are the remaining comments of the day. So Kiran have done around 30 plus question, great. Mock number 11 given, scored 19. Demotivated but analyze my weak point, brilliant yaar. I can do 35 more in the days to come. Brilliant, superb. This is the kind of attitude I want. That you did bad and you understand that it's your mistake and we can improve that. Brilliant. So 76 questions, mock 76 marks, great, excellent. Inequality was not able to solve, but I will do pakka tomorrow. Beautiful. Yeah, this is the best part of these 2 comments is people are taking the ownership of their mistakes. Normally we always put the blame on someone else. Task 1 done, unable to get the solution of the question. Okay, so mock 2 45 percentile, but it's good as good other one. Great, Yogesh. Harshit, highest score so far, 63 questions and mock done. So brilliant, brilliant. You are the topper so far. Kisha, 35 questions on inequalities. Could not give a mock but did 30 plus question on critical reading and inference. Excellent. From VRC and 4 sets of DILR, 3 sets of DI. Brilliant. Vinay Kumar had done 25 question, mock 2, only VRC. Thank you sir for proper strategy. Thank you. Kshitij, B brand contest. See, I am the sponsor of the events here. I sending the certificate is their owners. I just talked to Ahmedabad and I am Rohtak, both the teams. They said it will be done. They are delaying it, being delayed for some time. You will get those certificates by October end. तो अपने CAT पे फोकस करो. That's my promise to you. Certificate आएगा. ठीक है. Task watched all basic videos. Best video for inequality. Thank you sir. Thank you. This was a commendable. Done 160 question. Brilliant. Pulak Das. Excellent. Excellent. So there are the shortcuts I'm talking about here. This is way I want you to score more marks. Inequality topic, which was like a deadly topic for everyone, now become very simple for you if you look at the shortcuts. Yeah, inequality 110 question. Mukesh, you are the second highest so far. You have done mock as well, 40 marks. Excellent. 0 in DI logic. No worries, no worries. Left the whole section. How I am not able to solve this particular question and left the whole section. And maths, I got more than 45. So no problem, no problem. We'll improve that. No problem. Harsh, can you make a video on the last date? Okay, I'll do that. VRC, thank you for your support. Daily homework gives you. The only difficulty I'm facing is accessibility to the mocks. You can ask Ck student to solve mock number 11, but what about non-student? See, there are 2 options. Either you can join us at Ck or you can look at any other mock series you already have. Yeah, that's only I can say. Yeah. Up to your mock. Then if you don't want to join, just give any of the mocks. Yeah, we still have 35 days remaining. If you join karna bhi hai, so I don't think 3,000 is a big amount of money because it's one exam. CAT is the most important exam. Yep. So brilliant work everyone.